All right. Hello, everybody. I see that people are still joining in, but it is 5:31 here in Helsinki. So I think we can kick it off and start this session for today. So first of all, thank you everybody for joining today. Despite the current world events, we still wanted to bring the Kotlin community together today. And with that being said, I would like to emphasize today that we'd like to keep this event as a non-political event and allow everybody to focus on the subject of Kotlin today. And we really appreciate you joining in for today. So we can kick it off. As a quick introduction, my name is Hanna Nerg. I'm the product lead for payments here at Wolt. I joined Wolt in June 2020, so in the middle of the coronavirus crisis, and I've been here now for roughly a year and 9 months. And my team works on anything related to the payments checkout page, so payment integrations, even some consumer topics, payment routing optimization, and these kind of things. All right, let's get going. So first, for this event today, we have set up a promo code, Kotlin Meetup 1, for obtaining €10 worth of credits to ordering some snacks or food at Wolt. Isabella, can you please put it on the chat so that everybody can access the promo code during this evening? So feel free to order from Wolt, and I would actually encourage you to do so. Right. So this is the agenda for today. So we have roughly 1.5 hours. I'm going to kick it off by introducing Wolt and how Wolt actually works. Then we're going to start moving into the engineering topics, and we have 3 presentations for today. Jarkko is giving a presentation from, he's from the Wolt Market team. Then we have an external guest, Dimitri, who kindly joined us from Oracle today. And then we're going to wrap it up with Mikhail's presentation on writing readable code. All right, so first about Wolt. So in a nutshell, we are a food delivery company. We operate in 23 countries in over 250 cities at the moment. So we started back in the day from Helsinki, Finland, expanded to other Nordic countries, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, then down to Baltics and all the way to Central Europe. Currently, our easternmost market is Japan. We launched there in 2020, and it's been an exciting journey since. And then we also have our southernmost market is Israel, and we are very active there. We have over 400 people on the Product Plus team. This means engineers, data analysts, product leads, and designers. We have over 18 million registered users currently at the platform, 60,000 merchant partners, meaning restaurants, retailers, and other vendors. And we have over 130,000 career partners at the Wolt platform operating at this moment. And just to give you an idea of the scale that we're growing at the moment, when I joined Wolt, we were roughly 900 people. And at the moment, we have over 5,000 people at the team. So it's been an exciting journey in terms of growth during the past 2 years. And what Wolt is very much known for is the fact that we obsess about the user experience and the customer journey. And you can see this from our App Store and Google Play ratings. And we are currently at 4.8 at App Store and 4.7 out of 5 on Google Play. So I mentioned in the beginning that we are a food delivery company, but that was actually a little bit of a wrong statement. We actually currently deliver a lot more than just the restaurant food. So 1.5 years ago, roughly, we started expanding into retail. So at this moment, you can order, whether it comes to like electronics, pet food, groceries, or any kind of other appliances that you might need, you can order it through Wolt. this is fairly exciting, and we're actually putting a lot of resources on this throughout the Wolt at the moment. So we have a lot of designers, a lot of product leads, and a lot of engineers working on these topics at this moment. We have also our own Wolt market, from where you can order anything quickly delivered to your door. So it is our own grocery store that we operate in a number of countries. So what we're essentially building is a whole city, your whole kind of mall delivered within minutes to your own home or office or friend store. We're building all of this through 3 main apps. So the user app that you guys are probably the most familiar with. We have the courier app, and then we have a merchant app. So by connecting all of these 3, we can ensure that our users get food orders or retail orders delivered to their door efficiently. We also have expanded to building other kinds of apps. Example is the picker app, which essentially used by our merchant partners when optimizing the pick and pack of grocery deliveries on the merchant's site. So we talk about Product Plus here at Wolt, and what this essentially means is everything that happens behind the scenes in actually when we're like delivering different features and products. So we have currently over 400 people working on engineering, designing, on product development, and kind of like owning the outcome, and then analyzing the results of our work. And we work in cross-functional autonomous teams. So we work together to make all of this happen across of our several engineering and product teams. So our engineering culture is based on ownership and team collaboration. What this means is that engineers are involved in the whole cycle of development. So when we start to have an idea of a feature that we want to introduce, for instance, the subscription service that we recently introduced, the engineers were part of the planning and then obviously executing and coding, and all the way to the full rollout and execution of this product. We use several coding languages. Here's just to mention a few. We have obviously Kotlin, which we're talking about today, Scala, Python, and React Native as an example. And here, before I hand it over to Jarkko, here's a couple of cool product examples built with Kotlin that are actually live. This is first one from Merchant app. So this is what the merchants and restaurant partners and retail vendors see actually when they log into the Merchant app. So they pretty much can log in. All of this backend that you can see here is built with Kotlin. The front end is built with native Swift, but the backend is powered by Kotlin. The second example is about accepting an order. So when a merchant receives an order through Wolt, this is essentially what they can see. They can kind of accept it. They can adjust the delivery time. They can reject it if they're, for instance, closing quite soon. And all of this backend is powered by Kotlin. Front end, again, is built with native Swift. And then moving on to another app, user app. So here, what we've actually built on the front end side with Kotlin is a Wolt Plus subscription service. So this is something that we launched pretty recently in a few of our markets. So this is a kind of like our membership program that the users can sign up for free deliveries throughout a period of months. Front end is Kotlin, and back end is supported by different coding languages such as Python. So pretty cool, exciting stuff that we're building. And then finally, we are hiring. This is pretty exciting. We have several teams that are currently looking for Kotlin engineers. to join our fintech teams, merchant integrations teams, localization team, and Wolt market team. And now I think Isabella just posted the link to our careers page on the chat. Cool, that was from my side. Thank you. And now I'm going to hand it over to Jarkko Miettinen from our Wolt market team to talk about the following subject. I don't remember allocating that. A quick look into spotting and solving memory problems both on GVM and on ART.